Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Raph, and it is crazy out here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. We're here to check out NAB and to see what's up and what's new with the industry. What's up, brother? You're like the first rep that I've seen. Everybody else, I don't know. Like, yeah, you're the only one I've seen so far.
That's the great thing of having all integrated. Oh, great.
That, like, edit Black Magic and pause. I would.
Oh, thanks, dude. Yeah. Yeah, typically on my own, I wouldn't be doing this, but...
Oh, you're gonna get it. Well,
Yeah.
God's gonna go with it.
Yeah.
Because you have two things working. For instance, supply side. I don't need to talk about it.
Right, and that's a wrap for the convention. I am pretty pooped. Got to see all the vendors, got to see some familiar faces. Got to see some customers too, which is a lot of fun. But yeah, no, it was a really cool experience understanding, where the industry is going in the next couple years. So yeah, can't wait till the next one. See you guys. I'm gonna go take a nap.